The impact that having a lead management tool like Traction Complete has been huge. We no longer have a person dedicating 1 to 2 hours a day, combing through all the leads at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day, trying to match them to accounts. Hi there, my name is George Samaras, and I'm the Senior Manager of Marketing Operations at Coveo. Coveo is a AI-powered search platform. We provide search solutions for other businesses. Prior to working with Traction Complete, one of the major challenges we were facing was scalable way to implement lead to account matching in Salesforce. So those challenges were leading to issues with us having leads coming in that were not matched to accounts. A lot of information was missing, which meant that sales was spending a lot of time augmenting records instead of prospecting these records and trying to close deals. So Traction Complete allowed us to immediately match leads to accounts. We also started leveraging Traction Complete for other data management efforts within Salesforce, including auto merging of duplicate records, as well as helping us now use lead assignment rules as well as contact assignment rules, thus allowing us to give marketing operations more ownership and autonomy in working with changes in Salesforce rather than relying on our Salesforce admins. Measuring the impact of Traction Complete, we did notice an uptick of 74% in successful lead to account matches compared to the more basic native Salesforce. So we've definitely noticed that, which has saved us, probably hundreds of hours of cleaning up data manually, merging data manually. What made Traction Complete stand out compared to other tools and products in the market was it was really a low-code, no-code solution that emphasized drag and drop, which made the tool adoptable for people who don't have a developer's background. Partnering with Traction Complete was absolutely the best decision for our team. We are extremely happy with procuring the tool. We find excellent value to the tool, and we're very happy customers with the product.